Welcome back in a short video, ladies. We are back again with our classy collection today. So today we have again a beautiful collection. This is the short video. You will get pretty designs and very lovely color combinations. We will be having assorted sizes. So few will be in offer, few will be in fresh prices. So what you have to do, you have to just take a screenshot of the piece, send us on this number 7388882623. This is the booking number. I hope the number is clear. So all our lives you can get on YouTube as well. Our videos get uploaded regularly on YouTube also. So you can subscribe our channel over there also. And so we have a very easy booking process. Take a screenshot, send us on this number. This is the first thing. Second thing, you have to make a parcel opening video for any type of claims and defects. Third thing, sizes has to be cross-checked twice or thrice if you want, because we are always there to assist, but exchange and returns are not possible. So we would request you to do it for sure, so that for further any type of inconvenience not occurs. So this is the first piece, ladies. I'm starting with a beautiful pure cambric cotton piece, a smart designing pattern with the pleating here. Pleating gives a very defined look of the piece, because in this particular one I am wearing 38. Usually I carry 40 size, but this is 38. So just because of the pleating, the fit is very comfortable, and from the tummy and hip area, just because of the pleating, it is very comfortable also. So generally I carry 40, but in this, because this is a cambric cotton base, a quite thin base. Cambric cotton is a premium fabric. There's no lining under it, and no see-through at all. There's no maintenance in washing. Sizes also we have 38, 40, 42, 44 and 46. Bottoms are quite comfortable, front belt, back elasticated bottoms. These are straight cut pants. These are not culottes and not very narrow pants. These are comfortable ones. The in hand piece is 38 in my size, in my hand. So this is 38. Pockets also we have here. So front belt, back elasticated, 1350 free shipping. It has got a beautiful intricate print. You can see the printing pattern, a beautiful and smart printing pattern. Here is the pleating here. You can see, so 38, 40, 42, 44 and 46, 1350. Two more colors are there. This is the pretty wine shade, a dark purplish tone, you can say. See the lovely printing pattern. These type of patterns are very much in this. You can see there are the bottom and the shirt has same print. It looks really smart. This is a new pattern nowadays. So a beautiful printing pattern here in this piece also. 42, 46 in this wine color, and we have a pretty black color also. 38, 40, 42, 44 and 46. Black is always in so much of demand. So this is the again pretty color. 38, 40, 42, 44 and 46. Price is very reasonable, 1350 with free shipping for this lovely article. So you can book this as soon as possible, because it will get sold very quickly. This is a smart one, that's why. So just book it quickly. 38 se leke 46 in all the pieces. In black wine we have only 38 not available. Probably I have told each and everything very clearly. Next we are moving towards the very pretty pure cotton piece again. It has got a very pretty detailing here of the patchwork. We have a coin detailing, handwork detailing, angrakha patch of this beautiful Pintex work. We have a mal cotton ka dupatta with big Mughal bootas. Beautiful green color, soothing color combination, soothing fabric, smart designing, and bottom we have front belt, back elasticated, solid color, plain bottoms. So overall a smart designing pattern also. You can see a beautiful and comfortable bottom. So 1350 will be the price. This is a 3-piece set, 38, 40 and 42. 3 sizes are available in this green. The pattern is a evergreen bandhani. You can see bandhani and lehariya. In this particular design, I will give you 4 colors, and all 4 are super fantastic shades. Just 1350 free shipping is the price. This is the another one. We have a pretty wine shade, 38, 42, 44 and 46. See the beautiful color. What a graceful piece it is. Really comfortable and smart one, ladies. Grab it soon. 38, 42, 44, 46, 1350. Next we have a pretty peach color. All colors are very summery, pretty colors, I must say. Floral जो flowers के colors होते हैं, these all are those shades. A beautiful tone again, very pretty detailing, a defined work. and lovely dupatta. In this we have 38 and 40. Bottoms are plain solid color. Base is cambric cotton. Side slit open. These are straight cut pieces and front belt back elasticated. Bottoms also. So lovely tone of peach again with white dupatta and Mughal print bootas. So 1350 for this beauty. And last we have this lovely magenta hot pink color. All four colors are fantastic shades. 42, 44, 46 in this color. 1350 free shipping will be the price. So grab it ladies, a smart pretty pattern of Leheria and Mughal print boota dupatta mull cotton. This is the really pretty one. 1350 only. Moving to the next article, the kalamkari is my personal favorite and that also on a very rich pure crepe base. You can see the beautiful smart printing pattern, pure crepe article with the handwork key detailing, and we have mull cotton lining under it, a soft organza dupatta with all over embroidery. 38 and 40 again we have. Offer price 2150. See the price in this. This is 2650. We are getting in 2150. A really formal wear. 38 and 40 we have. Front belt, back elasticated, gorgeous piece to go. Super nice, super lovely. 38 and 40, 2150 in this. A must have because kalamkaris are always in trend. These are super pretty pieces. Next we have, this is assorted sizes of 40 and 42 we have. This is in pure mull cotton fabric. This is side closed in this. A very smart pattern. In this we are getting this type of embroidery bail. Sleeves are like this with lace. Ultimate graceful pattern. We have lace here in the hem also. Pleating and embroidery. A really nice graceful pattern, I must say. Front belt, back elasticated, cambric cotton bottoms, detailing in the pant hem mori also. So this is the look of the piece. It has got a lovely dupatta with this type of weaving in the fabric. You will get this type of fabric weaving in the dupatta. So 40 and 42, 1875 with free shipping. One color is a lemonish color. This is 38 and 40 in this. All colors and fabrics are super gorgeous. These are premium base. You can see beautiful lemonish yellow color. What a graceful detailing. The quality of fabric is super awesome. Side slit will be closed. You will get lining in it. Lining is attached and we have pretty bottoms, front belt, back elasticated. You will get this type of detailing also. Mull cotton dupatta, the same piece of the pink. Very premium one. We have embroidery in the dupatta, which also probably I forgot to show. So 1875 only for this beautiful article. Now one more classy piece. This is the smart one ladies, a beautiful creation with smart blocking here. We have same sort of sleeves, such a graceful sleeve pattern. This is all a soft organza lace, a straight cut piece with handwork detailing here. You will get this type of handwork detailing, a super smart pattern. Off-white color is a very trending shade in summers because light colors give a different type of relaxation. So front belt, back elasticated, pockets we have in this bottom, and this is the smart one. See the color combination, price 1350 again, 40, 42 and 46. Must buy. This is the super gorgeous piece. The detailing of the piece is simply awesome. This is the back and here is the front. 40, 42 and 46, 1350. We have one more color. This is the pretty green. A very fantastic detailing. See the blocking. Super gorgeous blocking we have. Pure ethnic pattern. Here are the sleeves colored lace and very pretty tone again. Off-white color 44 and 46 in this 1350, 44 and 46. Front belt, back elasticated pockets, a graceful piece to go. Next we have this beautiful one. This is the pretty piece 1190. You will get this type of embroidery detailing, a beautiful cord and all embroidery here. S38, M40 and XL44. S38, M40, XL44. full elasticated bottom, pockets, pure cotton piece with embroidery all over. This looks very graceful because the price is very, very nominal according to the embroidery in the piece. Pockets are in this, this will be a straight cut. You will get side slit open. So beautiful and formal wear piece. 38, 40 and 44. 1190 with free shipping. 995 only. This is a pretty affordable piece, 995, a super gorgeous pattern. These are fantastic pieces in this price range. Like this is cambric cotton and 995, we are not giving you rayon, we are giving you cambric cotton piece. Cambric cotton is quite comfortable. The one I am wearing, similar type of premium cotton. This is a beautiful, pretty pattern with V-neck, and we have full elasticated bottom with culottes. These are quite comfortable for your regular wear and pocket friendly also. Shipping is absolutely free, so you have to pay only and only 995 for this beautiful pattern. This looks lovely. I have worn this piece in one of my lives. These looks fantastic. Only 40 we have, 995. Now these patterns of chikankari, these are very, very much in. We have a lot of colors with assorted sizes, so all are on off today. These will be on offer just because we have assorted sizes, otherwise it can't be in these prices. 1290 with free shipping, 38 size, 1290. Wonderful articles, really, really awesome one to go. Otherwise, in chikankaris, it is really, really difficult to get. In Lucknow also, you will get not less than 17 or 1800. These are pure cambric cotton. So, in this particular, we have only 38 size. Grab it. This is one of going to be one of your best buys in this range. 1295 with free shipping, full elasticated bottom, super, super gorgeous detailing. See the look. These are in assorted sizes. That's why you are getting an offer. As soon as a new stock comes, the new stock will be only in fresh prices. So if you are getting today, go for it. 1295, a perfect, beautiful article, I must say. Very gorgeous piece. 1295 side slit close. You will get this type of embroidery here. A super, super pretty one. 1295 with free shipping in this orange color. What a pretty shade. Such a beautiful tone it is. Super lovely pattern. 38 से लेके 46. इसमें तो हमारे पास last set है. All sizes we have. Grab it, ladies. This is one of the prettiest shades we have. This is not orange. This is a pretty rustish orange color. So little bit of rust also in this. You can see the beautiful embroidery detailing. Side slit close. You will get front slit open like this. All over shirt, bootas, and here on the sleeve as well, pure cambric cotton base, a super pretty shade, full elasticated bottom, pure cambric cotton piece, a must buy article. 38 se leke 46. Then we have a pretty mustard color. What a beautiful shade, 40 and 46. A perfect ethnic wear article, I must say. Very nice, pretty detailing. Grab the beauty, ladies. Pure cambric cotton piece, 40 and 46. Mustard color. All colors are simply wow shades in this. Full elasticated bottom, a nice pretty pattern, 1295 with free shipping. Then we have this green. In this green, we have only 46, 1295. Only 46, 1295. Pure cambric cotton. These are comfortable, not at all see-through, premium cambric cotton base. Full elasticated bottom. Chikankaris are never going to be out of fashion. And last is onion pink. In this we have only 40, 1295. So all 5 colors are fantastic shades with pretty detailing. See the look. Every piece is a worth buying in this. So if you have size in any of these colors, grab it. Full elasticated bottom, 40 size, 1295 with the free shipping. Now, next, this is the pretty article, ladies. This was in handloom. It has got a really gorgeous dupatta. You can see the dupatta detailing. This type of cotton kota doria dupatta, and these booties are weaved booties, small zari booties with pretty color combination. You will get Ikat handloom print fabric base. These are pure handlooms, a comfortable piece, not South cotton. There is a difference in between South cotton and handloom. South cottons are quite thick in texture. This is the premium handloom, so it will be very fine in quality. and you will get a smart designing over here, a branded piece designing like Fabindia sort of. Here is the mirror work. You can see a beautiful patch detailing. We have a smart border detailing here. Side slit open. The color is a gorgeous shade, blue and grayish, decent tone. In bottom also, front belt, back elasticated bottoms, and everything it weaved. You can see inside out. This will be the weaving pattern here, front belt, back elasticated pockets, a graceful tone of grey and blue. Sizes 38 and 44. Offer price 1650 with free shipping, 1650. Another color will be a reverse combination of the same design. In this we are getting grey shirt with blue dupatta. Rest everything is same in designing pattern, only color will be a reverse pattern. This is the soft Kota Doria dupatta. There will be a silver border, small booties, and we have this weaved pattern here in the shirt. A smart bottoms with weaving, front belt, back elasticated pockets, 1650 with free shipping will be the price. Again fantastic piece ladies, 1650, 38 and 40 in this beautiful color. Now this is a smart one, only 42 we have, price is going to be 1295. This is again a pure ethnic pattern with smart Mughal bootas, and we have a sleeve detailing like this. We have a smart neckline and pockets as well. We have pockets also in this, and the bottom will be plain, front belt, back elasticated here, and price is going to be just 1295. A super gorgeous off-white color. This is the A-line pattern, and we will get a side. We get side slits open also, but from the lower side, a little bit down. So comfortable fit, 42 size. In hand piece is 42. So you can see this is a proper comfortable fit, 42 size. Next one we have a really beautiful and summery tone. Now see the color combination, just gorgeous color combination of sea green and pink. Really unusual because these type of combination comes very rare, but these looks fantastic. We have a really pretty detailing of chicken work here. You can see a very beautiful mirror work here. This is all handwork. This type of chicken work, a smart piece to go. The color combination is pretty, and a smart dupatta as well. You can see a stripe sort of pattern in dupatta with Mughal bootas. The color combination is a smart color combination. We have a hot pink bottoms, front belt, back elasticated, a eye-catchy color. Pockets will be there. 38, 40, 42 and 44. 1500. Free shipping will be the price. A smart pattern to go for. Next one. This is the pretty piece ladies. A beautiful and smart one again. 38 and 40. 2625 with the free shipping. This is the pure mull silk, lining attached, a classic combination of kalamkari pattern. This is a pure pretty kalamkari patchwork with hand detailing. You can see the neatness in the edge. This is also gotapati detailing. The color is a pretty gorgeous shade of dark mehndi green. In the hem, we have this type of beautiful borders. Unfortunately, we have just two sizes. It has got a mull cotton lining, 38 and 40. Grab the piece, those sizes are available. Full elasticated bottom we have. It has got a chiffon ka dupatta, pure chiffon dupatta. Just see the detailing. A must-have piece. Those sizes are here with us. A really nice, pretty pattern. Beautiful dupatta it is. Really gorgeous one. This will be the back of the piece. So 38 and 40, 2625. Free shipping will be the price. This is a pure mull silk article. Nice, pretty piece. Next one, ladies. This is a pretty one. A coke brown sort of color, you can say. What a shade and what a detailing. Rich shade it is. This is the classy rich shade. And here will be detailing like this. You will get handwork, a weaving sort of pattern, but this is print. It looks like weaving, but this is print. The color combination is a wow color combination, a smart color combination, I must say. Here is the dupatta. This type of dupatta you will get. In dupatta also you will get this type of mirror work booties and lovely detailing of katha. So आपको इसमें mull cotton की lining मिलेगी. Here you will get glaze cotton, cotton silk bottoms, front belt, back elasticated, Again, sizes we have 38 and 40. Offer price 1875. Original price is 2225. Offer price 1875. Again, a formal wear suit for those who are looking for some premium pieces in their official wear or some of the formal events. So 38 and 40, 1875 for this beauty. One more smart pattern, only 40 size we have, 1450. One of the prettiest patterns in this ajrak piece, this type of beautiful patchwork, a smart detailing, handwork highlight here. The color is a gorgeous beige off-white color. We have printed ajrak bottoms with this, front belt, back elasticated, straight culotte style bottoms will be there, and lovely dupatta of ajrak. See the beauty, a tribal print palla. So the piece is simply wow, 1450 with free shipping. Grab the piece, ladies. These are wonderful designs. We have assorted sizes, that's why you are getting an offer, but these are really, really most awaited designs. One more beauty, ladies. This is a pretty pocket design piece. We have shown several colors, so now these are in assorted sizes, 38 and 46 we have. 1395 with free shipping, a fantastic piece with beautiful detailing. You will get pocket embroidery here like this in the front and the back, resham work embroidery, no sequence, no chamka. The color is a greyish mouse grey sort of color, and front belt, back elasticated. Pockets will be in the shirt. Obviously, there is embroidery on it. So 38 and 46 in this pretty color. These are affordable smart pieces. We must have these in wardrobes because these gives a designer look, but prices are quite nominal. 38 and 46, 1395. Next, we have a rust color. In this, we have only 38. Rest is sold. This is only 38. A hot selling shade. I just wore this piece in, I think, just 2 or 3 days back in my video. So this was again a hit. You can see only 38. Those have missed, they can grab it. 1395, a pretty brick rust color, front belt, back elasticated. Next we have a off-white shade. This has arrived just yesterday, 38, 40, 42, 44 and 46. Beautiful color. See the pastel color embroidery. What a neat finish of the embroidery. The look of the pieces of khadi. Richness is there in the combination, you know. Front belt, back elasticated bottoms it has, and comfortable fit. We have this type of shirt sort of design and one box pleat to give a comfortable look. 38 to 46, a most demanding shade in off-white in this particular design. Very, very pretty and smart one. 38 to 46, 1395, and one more purple color also come. This is in 38 to 44. See the shade. What a gorgeous color. Very, very beautiful pattern. Pocket embroidery looks so smart. It gives a different type of look actually. And here is the back embroidery also in the pocket. So grab the beauty, ladies. These are fantastic pieces. 1395 only. 38, 40, 42 and 44. These two colors we have received yesterday. So front belt, back elasticated. Super pretty color combinations. Amazing, amazing piece to go. A nice pretty color. This is also a pretty one. This one also I probably I've worn in one of my lives. A fantastic piece to go. Super pretty. Probably this is in a defective one because there is embroidery missing. Otherwise, the piece we dispatch are the fresh pieces. So beautiful and smart color combination, gorgeous detailing, and this is the Kota Doria dupatta. Fantastic color combination of the piece. This is a peacock blue color, a very, very beautiful tone of blue, pure cambric cotton, 38, 40 and 42. Front belt, back elasticated, cambric cotton bottom. This has a cambric cotton base and very pretty detailing. See the look in the hem also. This is the nice pretty color. So 38, 40 and 42. Beautiful tone of blue, and price is going to be 1350 for today, 1350. Amazing piece to go, ladies. This is an offer price. Go for it. This comes really, really rare. 38, 40 and 42, 1350, 1350 with the free shipping. Must buy article. इसको डिफेक्टिव में डालना और इसको स्टॉक से लेस करना, इसमें वो है डिफेक्ट है. Last piece of the video, this is again a smart one, a must have cord. See the detailing, see the color combination. 38 and 40 in this, a price is going to be just 1450. Fantastic piece again. The fabric is cambric cotton. It has got a lovely detailing of embroidery. You can see a beautiful combination of resham work and this type of pretty scalping hem and pure cambric cotton base. This is full elasticated bottom and we have lining with it. Side slit are closed, but this is the A line, so quite comfortable on the hip area. Price is 1450. This is the shirt collar pattern, pleating design, amazing piece with the lining attached, mull cotton lining, 38 and 40, 1450 with free shipping. Length of the shirt is 34 to 35 inches. Amazing piece, really nice and smart one. See the sleeve pattern. So in this video, I think I have shown approximately 32 designs to you. So I hope you like the collection. We will be back again with our another video. So stay tuned, ladies, and keep watching. Thank you so much.